So Colby got herself a couple new goats. She got Aphrodite, which is a bred Nigerian Dwarf
Pygmy, too.
Pygmy, and Buckwheat. Isn't he a handsome guy? And we did some alterations, yeah, with the goat pen. We added some wall
You want to show my...
and part of the gate and side to make it to where this guy couldn't jump out, because he's been known to get out. Last night he was out of his fence and he got his hoof hurt. So we wanted to spend some time and make sure that it was safe so he wasn't going to get out. So we spent some time doing that. So hopefully it's escape proof for Buckwheat. Did we want to show him what, Colby? The fancy gate to where they can't. I don't think I can do it one-handed. You have to do it, Colby. We added height to the gate. We're adding up. Now they can't jump on it, and there's no way. They've got that ledge up there.